Here I have Motorola Moto G8 Power Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So firstly, you have to turn your device off by holding power key, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys power key and volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after that you will end up in the boot mode. Here at the boot mode you can use volume up key to navigate and volume down to select, and you have such options as recovery mode, fast boot mode and normal boot. If you want to exit this mode, just select the last option, normal boot, and after that your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.